Welcome to the 23rd of February, 2011. Record high is set on this day back in 1922 was 71 degrees, and you can see the record low of only 2 below zero back in 1964. Well, as we get into what's happening outside, we want to show you how much snow we've had so far this season. So far, 29 inches. Well, we'll pick up a little bit of snow, I think, Friday. And then again, maybe Monday night into Tuesday, just a little bit, maybe another inch or two. We've had more snow than 3 out of the last 5 years. We might be taking a shot at the 40 inches of snow as we move into the month of March. Well, outside, what's going on? Well, warmer, as expected. You can see thermometers have risen all the way up to almost 40 in New Martinsville and Morgantown, but lagging there at the Wheeling, Ohio County Airport with only 34. Cambridge and Steubenville and 36 degrees at the Washington County Airport. Winds are coming in generally out of the southeast at about 1 to 5 miles an hour, so not too much there speed-wise. Well, you can see the wide view of the satellite and the radar. We see clouds beginning to move back into our direction. We did have some periods of wonderful sunshine today. Less sunshine for your Thursday. In fact, we're expecting rain will be falling tomorrow. Here's our national temperature map, and once again, Brownsville 83, 81 in Miami, 76 in New Orleans, 69 in Dallas. So you can see the extreme southern part of the U.S. is very warm. Meanwhile, still holding on to temperatures only in the teens in places like Kalispell, Montana, Billings, Montana, and also, what's that other town? Minot, North Dakota. We are warming up a little bit, and that's what we're expecting to see. We're going to be melting some snow. Now, look at these flood watches that are going into effect, and yes, unfortunately, it's going to include our area. We have to watch those small creeks and streams, not the big Ohio River, but the creeks and streams. And the big problem we may have is ice jam flooding. Lots of ice upstream from a lot of these creeks, streams, and rivers, and with a possible inch of rain washing it all downstream with the warmer temperatures, there's a possibility could be some ice jam flooding. We'll keep that in mind, and it goes all the way back. Well, different kind of flooding in places like northeast Arkansas, western Tennessee, most of Kentucky, a little bit of Missouri, a little bit of Illinois, and up into southeastern parts of Ohio. And then we have winter weather advisories, northern third of Ohio, Allegheny Plateau, up to the lakes areas, up there, lake effect areas in New York. Well, we move on and show you the next system. It's just developing. It hasn't really picked up much in terms of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, but it will. And it will be depositing it here. Now here we go. That's tomorrow morning. We start dry, but then it looks like rain. Rain will be on and off, most likely between about noon on Thursday to about sunrise on Friday. It looks like rain. And in that 18-hour period, there is a possibility we could get maybe an inch of liquid rain falling. That's going to melt some of the snow. There is a little bit of moisture locked up in the snow that's sitting up there on our hilltops and on the sides of our streams and stuff. And then you add the water and the temperatures. It looks like the thermometers will stay above freezing Thursday night into Friday morning. We're going at least mid-40s on Thursday, a little bit cooler on Friday, but still above freezing. And then eventually we'll get on the back side of the system, and probably could be as early as late morning Friday. Could be picking up some snow, and it could be an inch or two, maybe 3. So we'll be watching that. That would be coming Friday, probably from mid-morning to mid-afternoon. Predictor, if correct, is showing that most of the snow is out by 6 p.m. And that brings in a nice-looking Saturday, at least by February standards. We should be dry, hinting at some snow to the north of our area. And then another big rainmaker moves in our direction. There we are Sunday night. So Sunday will probably start dry, but it looks like it's going to be rain developing in the afternoon and evening hours, and then the rain will come down pretty good into Monday, and then probably Monday night into Tuesday, we'll get back into the colder stuff, and we'll get a little bit of snow. So here's your 7-day forecast. Big threat for Friday morning will probably be the ice jam flooding, which doesn't affect all of us, just a few of us, but anybody who lives near a creek, stream, or river where you get ice jamming. It's fun stuff to watch if you ever get a chance. See this big pile of ice coming down the river. It's not fun when it's sending water into your basement or into your front door. And then we've got the second rain-making system coming late Sunday into Monday. This could be heavy rain as well. So heavy rain with the ice jam flooding, and then probably by the time we get the rain Sunday night into Monday, most of the ice will have been pushed down the streams, so there won't be ice jam flooding again. But There could be small creeks, streams, and rivers going over their banks. If we have any problems with the Ohio River because of getting more rain than expected on Sunday, Monday, that would occur probably Tuesday into Wednesday, because it takes a couple of days for all that water to come down the stream, down the Ohio River. So keep that in mind. Not the best kind of weather in the world, but it's kind of the price you have to pay when you start warming things up late in the winter, getting ready to move into the spring season.